In a dense, verdant forest, there lived a small and cheerful squirrel named Sammy. One sunny day, Sammy was collecting acorns to store for the winter. During his search, he noticed a shiny stone that caught his eye. He was so captivated by the stone's beauty that he forgot about his acorns. The day ended, and with no acorns stored, Sammy felt a pang of worry. That night, a heavy storm swept through the forest, and all the acorns Sammy had gathered were washed away. Sammy awoke to find his food supply gone. He realized he had traded the essential for the unnecessary. Feeling remorseful, Sammy decided to recollect acorns diligently. He worked tirelessly and collected a plentiful supply. When winter arrived, Sammy had enough food to last the cold months. One day, a cold, hungry bird came to Sammy's tree. Seeing the bird in distress, Sammy shared his stored acorns. The bird was grateful and promised to help Sammy in the future. From that day forward, Sammy always prioritized the essential over the enjoyable. He learned that the beauty in life should not be overlooked, but it should never come at the cost of necessity. Moral: always prioritize what is essential in life, but do not forget to appreciate the beauty around you.